C-section is definitely a real surgery. Let's look at all the layers we have to go through. The skin, obviously, yes. The fascia, we cut that. The muscles, you have to separate those to two sides. And then the peritoneum, yes, you cut that too. And yes, there's more. Lower uterine segment, we have to divide that. Then there's the peritoneum, we have to cut through that. Once we're inside, there's blunt dissection. We have to bluntly move things around, which means the bladder, yes, there's a blunt instrument, metal instrument that pushes it down so we don't damage it. Then we have to cut through the uterus and the baby's there. And then we have to birth the baby through the small incision we made. So yes, we push the baby out for you. Lots of pressure all the way up into your chest to push the baby out, one shoulder at a time. And once the baby's out, huge congratulations, but there's a lot more to do. Placenta has to come out, then we have to close the uterus. This is a lot of layers. You have to make sure there's no bleeding, that the uterus tone is good, and then you put the uterus back inside of the abdomen and you have to close each layer one at a time. It's a serious surgery.